Make a great choice today with the 2016 Buick Cascada. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.6-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote engine start, tire pressure monitor, tires, front performance, HID headlights, tires, rear performance. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.